just say.
Hello, today we're going to talk about earthquakes. Earthquakes are caused by two tectonic plates that push against each other with so much force that they burst and the earth to shake. And when this happens, like, oh my gosh, it's happening now. When earthquakes happen, then tsunamis can also happen. By the earthquake, the earthquake makes the water make waves, and then the waves go to shore and splashes everything and floods everything. Um, like the plates when they're going together, there's two different types of things that can cause earthquake. There's the convergence plates, which they move together, and when they move together, they shift and cause an earthquake, or a divergence, when they move apart, it causes one to shake